Yukon Denali trim. Heated leather seats, third row seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, rear air, power liftgate, alloy wheels, trailer hitch, captain's chairs, all-wheel drive, overhead airbag. Click now. Key features include heated leather seats, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, all-wheel drive, quad bucket seats, power liftgate, rear air, running boards, premium sound system, satellite radio, multi-CD changer, onboard communications system, trailer hitch, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Third row seat, MP3 player, rear seat audio controls, keyless entry, privacy glass. Experts report, completely overhauled for 2007. The most notable changes include a more spacious cabin with upgraded materials, a more powerful 5.3-liter 5.8 Edmunds Calm. Approx. Original base,